Good afternoon to all. Today I am going to explain limit and derivative. Formula required for limits and derivatives. Okay. Number 1, limit x tend to a x to the power n minus a to the power n by x minus a is equal to, the answer will be n into a to the power n minus 1. N into n means the power, n into a to the power n minus 1. For example, limit x tend to 5 x to the power 4 minus 5 to the power 4 by x minus 5. The answer will be how much? Means 4 into 5 to the power 4 minus 1. This is nothing but 4 into 5 whole cube. 5 whole cube is how much? 4 into 125. This will be answer is how much? 500. It is clear? Suppose limit x tend to 2 x to the power 5 minus 2 to the power 5 by x minus 2. The answer will be n means here 5 into 2 to the power 5 minus 1, which is equal to 5 into 2 to the power 4, means 5 into 2 to the power 4 means 16. 16 5 how much? 16 5 is 80. I gave two example of theorem number 1. Next theorem number 2 means formula required for second formula is limit x tend to 0 e to the power x minus 1 by x. The answer is 1. E to the power x is exponential function. Number 3, x tend to 0 a to the power x minus 1 by x. A means any number. The answer is log a base e. For example, limit x tend to 0 5 to the power x minus 1 by x. The answer is log 5 base e. Limit x tend to 0 7 to the power x minus 1 by x. The answer will be log 7 base e. Okay, I am giving two examples of this limit x tend to 0 a to the power x minus 1 by x. Answer is log a base e. Just I gave two examples of it. A means any number like 5 to the power x minus 1 by x tend to 0, log 5 base e answer. Limit x tend to 0 7 to the power x minus 1 by x is equal to log 7 base e. Here the formula you have to memorize. Next day I will do sums. Okay. Other theorems are number 4. Limit x tend to 0 sin x by x, this will be 1. Number 5, limit x tend to 0 tan x by x is also equal to 1. 6, number formula, limit x tend to 0 cos x, this will be also 1. Only cos, not cos x by 1. These three belongs to trigonometry formula and other are non-trigonometry formulas. Okay. In this 6 formula today I am giving and other formula next day I will give. Okay. Try to practice these 6 formula required for it, and next I am going to show you derivative formulas. The derivative formula already I have discussed. What is derivative? dy by dx, derivative of y with respect to x, which is equal to limit s tend to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. You have to memorize this formula. And for formula, we have to memorize formula number 1. If y is equal to e to the power x, this implies derivative of e to the power x will be e to the power x. Number 2, if y is equal to log x, the derivative of y with respect to that means derivative log x is 1 by x. Derivative log x is 1 by x. Number 3, if y is equal to a to the power x, the derivative of y means dy with respect to x, dy by dx, a to the power x derivative will be a to the power x into log a. A means here any number. Suppose y is equal to 5 to the power x. The derivative of 5 to the power x will be how much? 5 to the power x into log 5. Number 4, if y is equal to trigonometric function, if y is equal to sin x, the derivative of sin x is cos x. Number 5, if y is equal to cos x, derivative of y with respect to x, that means cos x derivative is minus sin x. Number 6, if y is equal to tan x, derivative of tan x is sec square x. Sec square x. Number 7, if y is equal to cot x, derivative of cot x is how much? That is minus cosec square x. And 2 more left for trigonometry. Just see next 2. Next one is sec x. If y is equal to sec x, therefore dy by dx means the derivative of sec x will be sec x into tan x. Derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x. Number 9, if y is equal to cosec x, therefore derivative of y with respect to x dy dx of cosec x, derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. In this all the theorem formulas is clear, derivative. Next I am going to inverse. If y is equal to sin inverse x, then derivative of sin inverse x, that is dy dx of sin inverse x is how much? 1 by 1 minus x square root over. Number 11, if y is equal to cos inverse x, dy dx of cos inverse x. Cos inverse x derivative is minus 1 by 1 minus x square. Just these two are same, only difference is here minus. Number 12, if y is equal to tan inverse x, then dy by dx will be derivative tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Number 13, if y is equal to cot inverse x, then derivative of cot inverse x will be how much? Minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Number 14, if y is equal to sec inverse x, derivative of sec inverse x is equal to 1 by mod x into x square minus 1 root over. Number 15, if y is equal to cosec inverse x, derivative of cosec inverse x is minus 1 by mod x, x square minus a root over. In this way, today I have discussed all the trigonometry function, including inverse trigonometry function derivative and the formula required for limit. Next day I will do the sum. Thank you for today's class.